Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing for you guys today. As you can see in front of you, I have another Mix 13 truck to unbox for you guys. The first ever Mix 13 truck I found was the Reckless El Toro Loco. If you want to see that unboxing, go check it out after this video. And yeah, so here are the other trucks from the mix. Backwards Bob, Reckless Trucks El Toro Loco, which I already reviewed, Superman, Ride Truck Megalodon, Boneyard Zombie, Racing Stripes, Tropical Thunder, and Thrasher. So, obviously the one that I got is not on the back of the package. So, the second Mix 13 truck I got is the updated version of the Red Primer Gravedigger. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and we will compare it to the original one. So here is the wristband. It is a Gravedigger wristband, but in red, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so now we will compare the two versions of the Red Primer Gravedigger. So here is the original one from the 5-pack. It has a gray bumper, which is actually inaccurate to the real truck. So, what did they do in 2020? They fixed the mistake, and now it has the updated bumper, and now it looks more accurate. And I think they also updated the color on it as well. I can't be sure, but if they did, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, probably not the biggest difference, but I will say that I do like it better with the black bumper instead of the gray bumper, because I think this is probably, even though this is not the most exciting truck from the Retro Rebels category, I will say it is definitely it is good to have an accurate variation of the truck. So yeah. Not a huge difference in the truck, but obviously, like I said, I got it because it's the updated variation, and sometimes I like to get and I collect everything, so it's good to have all the different variations. So basically, the Red Primer Gravedigger with a black bumper, since this one is more accurate, and since I like this one better, this is the one I'm going to use in my sign-up series from now on. So yeah, this one is going to be retired. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the Mix 13 updated version of the Red Primer Gravedigger. I hope you enjoyed the quick unboxing. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and also subscribe and ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a new video. And yeah, see you guys next time. This is Curry Gaming, signing out.